Everyone wants their retirement portfolio to work best for them, but there is also a huge risk of loss associated with the investment. We are facing huge volatility and inflation in the economic sector, but this does not mean you should stop investing. In these times, the least affected stocks are a wise choice to invest in, and gold is the best as it maintains value during economic instability. Here, we are presenting some essential information you need if you are planning to open a Gold IRA account. Full disclosure: this information may not all be accurate, as market and policy changes may happen from the time this video has been published. Pros of a Gold IRA. Advantages of a Gold IRA are: 1. Tax benefits. A Gold IRA account gives you leverage against some standard taxes. For example, the contributions in a self-directed IRA require you to pay tax, but Gold IRAs are tax-free. However, withdrawals are tax-free in both. 2. Long-term investment. If you are planning to buy and then hold assets for a long time, there is no better option than a Gold IRA, as its value is pretty stable over time. 3. Self-control investment. These Gold IRA accounts are always self-directed. You can keep checks and balances and directly manage everything yourself or get it done by your Gold IRA custodian. The beauty of this is that it's entirely up to you. Cons of a Gold IRA. Besides all of these advantages, Gold IRAs also have some drawbacks, which are: 1. No dividends or returns. There is no interest or other return on gold bullion, so you do not enjoy any passive income by holding this type of account. 2. Custodian fees. There is always a risk associated with keeping the gold, so hiring a custodian who can store, insure, buy, sell, and transport your assets in the IRA is a must, and sometimes the custodian's fees can be pretty high. 3. Funding restriction. For many Gold IRAs, you cannot deposit any precious metal you have into your account. You have to open an account and hire a custodian, and he or she will be responsible for all these transactions via a trusted company on your behalf. Financial experts always recommend having 5 to 10% savings in the form of gold. But before making any moves, you should be sure of your instincts and go with a trusted Gold IRA company. If you'd like to learn more, you can get a free Gold IRA kit by visiting the website shown in this video or in the description. This kit contains valuable information for starting a new account, doing a rollover, adding assets to it, and picking a custodian. If you like the shared information, give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any new videos regarding these Gold IRAs. Thank you for watching.